All right, so we're gonna do a quick room tour of the Intercontinental Miami with a bay view. This is a standard room. We are in room number 907 near the corner. We'll start off with the bathroom. Closet area with some hangers. There's a safe down there. Some drawers, some slippers. I have not found the hair dryer. Nice vanity, nice shower. Walking towards the bedroom, we have a mini bar set up. Coffee bar, excuse the coffee cup, I already made myself a cup of coffee. Fully stocked mini bar, as well as a empty refrigerator if you want to bring food home or bring food back to the room with you after you go out. Excuse the bed, it's a little ruffled up since this is checkout day. Your TV here. And my favorite feature of the room, that window shade is electrically controlled with a switch here. To give you an awesome view of the bay and Port of Miami. Little outdoor garden area down below. Again, I'm on the 9th floor. Pretty nice.